don't forget, this is good time for tax loss selling. So if you own laggards to the market this year, or you have losses in your portfolio, this is a really good time to clean those up. So let's talk a little bit about what you need to know before the bell this morning. The market's doing just fine, and as we can kind of continue to talk about, the market just kind of continues to grind higher here. And again, we've talked about this. We're back onto a buy signal, and the market is trading well above its kind of its 50 moving averages, et cetera. So again, expect a pullback here over the next couple of weeks, as I was saying a moment ago, because of mutual fund distributions, et cetera. And, in this chart, as again, we kind of look at, the market is overbought on a relative strength basis. So typically when we get overbought, you're going to get some type of correction here. Again, so I would expect that. But again, the deviations from longer term running moving averages, et cetera, continues to be, a bit of gravity that will likely kind of pull the market back a bit. We're seeing the same kind of setup in markets, kind of really across the board. The NASDAQ is also doing very well. It's not performing as well as the S&P right now, but I would expect it to kind of play catch up here towards the end of the year. Interestingly enough, the S&P 500 Equal-weighted Index is also very overbought. It's been playing catch up here. Again, as the market rallied this year, we began to kind of broaden out, really kind of after August, and the relative performance of the S&P 500 equal weight has rallied along with it. But it too is getting decently overbought here and extended from means. So again, we may see a bit of a broader kind of consolidation or pullback here over the next couple of weeks, just to work off some of that. It won't take a lot to work off some of that kind of overbought condition that we're seeing, but I would expect that to kind of be the case again, just because we are so deviated from longer term means currently. So again, just, this is, as we kind of talk about, this is, this rally on Friday was good, pushes new all-time highs. That's great. This is where, kind of look at your positions in your portfolio. Just think about, hey, should I take some profits here? Can I rebalance some risk over here? Things that aren't performing with the market, this is a good time. Don't forget, this is a good time for tax loss selling. So if you own laggards to the market this year, or you have losses in your portfolio, this is a really good time to clean those up. Just sell them and have those capital losses off, so you can offset some gains in your portfolio. And then again, you remember, you can also carry forward $3,000 worth of losses against your personal income tax, next year as well. So again, there's some reasons to do some tax loss selling here, but more importantly, get rid of the anchors in your portfolio so that your portfolio can perform better. And that just allows your performance to kind of track closer to where it should be. We typically get anchored to losers, hoping they're going to come back, but sometimes, and this is a great time of the year to do it, it's time just to say, goodbye and let them go. So that's what you need to know before the bell this morning.